Hi guys, welcome back. Once again, Tanu Singh. I am doing one more video on natural tips for one of our body part that we use most, but we don't care about that part. As I was doing video on the face, as face is the one part that presents us when somebody is looking at us. It's a first expression. But we ignore our feet. That we need to take care of, right? Which is not good. So I am trying to give you natural tips against something from your kitchen and how to take care without going to the nail parlors or pedicure shops at home, that you can do very easily if you add this thing once or twice in a week. And if you follow the procedure, you will feel really comfortable and really easily you can do all the steps, and everything is available in your home, in your kitchen. You don't need any special ingredients or tools to do that, right? I think if our heels and lower skin of our feet is really nice like a baby skin, we love to take our shoes off whenever we are going somewhere. But if our heels are cracked and hard and it's not pink in color, we avoid to take our shoes off wherever we are going. We try to hide it, right? So why to hide? It's better to take care of it. And with your face, take care of each part of body. Foot is one of the most important part that we need to take care of on the daily basis. Otherwise, lots of issues comes up, right? So let's start with the today's video from the first step that we need to do every single day when we are sleeping, when we are going to bed, right? At that time, if it's winters, what you can do? I have a cream that's called the fruit cream. Any fruit cream will go for the feet because feet skin is really one of the hardest skin in our body, hardly has any reaction or anything. So any cream that is rich cream with the oils or anything that is very rich in, that's have creamy texture, not the moisture, not the serums. Proper cream, even you can add on little bit of oil in it. I'll show you the texture. Like this is a cream that I use. It's a cream, fruit cream. Any fruit cream you can get from the market, right? Or even the Vaseline is one of the best option for that. What do you guys need to do? While you are going to sleep, clean your feet with the wipe. Then apply a thick layer of this cream on this part of your feet, under part of your feet, right? Massage it for 2 or 3 times and apply extra layer on the hardest part where you have cracks and everywhere, or in the toe. I usually saw my clients' feet, they have toes that are really hard. I don't do the pedicures, but I can see them, I can give suggestions to them. So this is the hard part of our toe and the heel part, that which is really hard. Apply a very thick extra layer and put the socks on. If you are not comfortable at the night time putting the socks on, at least for 5 to 10 minutes, put the socks on. What it will do, it will make your hard skin really soft, right? First thing that you need to do every single day. But how to cut that skin off, that's the main part. When you have a very hard skin, first you need to clean that skin. It won't go in a one go. You need to spend a little bit of time, 2-3 times. When you will do it regularly, I'm pretty sure it'll go away, because I am personally doing every week, 1 or 2 times in a week, and it's fabulous results, right guys? So what you guys need to do, we usually don't have pedicure tubs at home. If you have, that's a benefit. But if you don't have, ta-da, you can take any small tub or any small bucket, fill it with the normal to hot water, right? And we always have a shampoos available at home. If we don't have shampoos, any that you don't want to use, I always use this antibacterial hand wash as well, that I can get. Any type of antibacterial hand wash you can use. In that normal to hot water, put the shampoo, 1 teaspoon will be enough. Put in that, and I always put the bleach powder that I always leftover bleach powder. Any bleach powder, Jonan, Oxy, I'm using this VLCC Gold. So put that in little bit, like 1/4 teaspoon shampoo, and you can always put tea tree oil, which is antibacterial, and that will save from the infections. Mix that up with the hand. What do you need to do at the third time? Before dipping your feet in, you need to again apply the same way this cream, and a very thick cream on the under part and your cuticles. That's called the cuticle, the underskin, that's called the cuticles. So on that part, apply thick layer with the hands, just roughly, right? And dip it in your feet. Keep it 5 to 10 minutes. Play nice music, listen to the music. Meanwhile, enjoy that your pedicure spa. And after 10 minutes, what do you need to do? With that water, with that cream, your cuticles will get soft, your skin will get soft, right? After that, easy thing that you need to do, get some things from your kitchen. This is a steel wool. I think I'm stupid, but that works for me, right? It works really well on me. Might be somebody is trying it. If you didn't try, just give it a go. You don't need any extra instruments from your market or expensive things. These things works really well. Kitchen is one of the things, girls. We can get out everything, and we can make our face beautiful, we can make our feet beautiful, we can make our hands beautiful, elbows, everything works, right, in kitchen. So this is the thing that I am adding today. So this is a steel wool, right? When you dipped your feet for 10 minutes in the water, your skin and cuticles will be really soft. After that, take steel wool and rub that part off. You will see the skin is coming up really easily. If your feet condition is really bad at the moment, it'll take 2 or 3 times. I will suggest you guys to do this procedure 2 or 3 times in a week, at least 2 times in a week, and repeat it every time. And you will see after 15 days or so, you will feel your feet heal, and your under part of your feet skin is going to be really nice. So do this with a little bit hard hand. And with the cuticles, for that you need to get something, or even that works as well. I always take this instrument and push your skin towards back, because it will be really soft. It will be easy to push it back, nicely push back till the skin that you have at the end. After that, again that steel wool, and just rub with the nice compression, just rub it off. You will see the cuticles there be no more, and that's the beautiful part, right? Again, dip it in for 5 minutes, and again do the procedure if your skin is really hard yet, and take the healed skin, dead skin off. Don't get scared, because the skin is really hard. It's not going to harm you, because it's a dead skin that you really don't need, right? It won't hurt you as well. And take that part off, and after that, wash your feet with normal water, clean it, and again take nice cream, nice oil. You can always add on lavender oil and tea tree oil, 2 or 3 drops in that cream, and nicely massage your feet skin from top and especially in the bottom as well. And again, put on socks for some time, girls. That really helps. The socks produce the heat, and it helps the cream to absorb in your skin really nicely, and you will love it. You would love to take your shoes off anytime, anywhere. You won't mind it, because skin is really nice. It's a baby skin. Try doing that. It works really well. It's cheap product, girls. It's cheap products, but beauty is, I can't tell you. You know, you need to be look beautiful from head to toe. It's nothing like face, only like face, right? If you are beautiful from head to toe, you will be really confident wherever you go, whichever dress you want to wear. You would love to have that. But if we are not taking care of our skin, we have to cover it with either with the makeup, either with the shoes or socks. You know why to cover that part? We have to do something. We need to take a little bit of time from our busy schedules for us, so that we can feel we are doing something for ourselves, with the family as well, right? that boosts our confidence, that makes us happy. If you are happy from inside, only then you can give happiness to your family, right? Otherwise, it's really hard to make someone happy if you are not happy from inside. I would say go for it, try that. There is no harm, and send me the comments if you tried and what kind of results. If you have any issues, then still pass me the comments. I will come back to you guys, and try to like my video, subscribe my video and my channel on the YouTube, and keep on following me. I will come with another thing next week within 7 to 8 days time. So keep on following me, girls. Bye and have a great day ahead.